Hey all, let's begin the day on a fresh and positive note. A lot of us look out to setting routines only to get the best out of ourselves, to make sure that our day begins and continues to remain productive. How we decide to begin our day totally depends on what we are comfortable with, oftentimes, even with what we want to accomplish in life. They say you can get all that you want from life by simply setting intentions for it. Affirmations are the easiest way to do just that, which is why I begin my day by reading all of affirmations from my diary. Affirmations can help you get closer to happiness, health, and generic goals, if any. So, folks, I have come up with a 3-step formula ISO. I give it a short form. ISO stands for Inside to Outside Order, Stick to Daily First, One New Check for the Day. When deciding on where to begin your day's work, or which area or zone to tackle first, we are usually tempted to start from that section of the home which seems the dirtiest, which is in most cases the kitchen or maybe the living room where you spend most of the time. I say follow the inside to outside formula instead, where you start from the innermost room of the house and end at the outermost. For me, this starts from the bedroom and ends in the living. How does this help, you ask? By following this method, I am sure that nothing is forgotten in other rooms which should have been moved to the laundry or maybe even the sink. So everything goes to its place, one room to the next. A sunny day brings a lot of positive energy in me. It really does affect my mood and sets the tone for the day. So I'm usually very thankful for sunny and bright days. And while the sun is charging my home up, I take this time to remind myself of things I would want to finish for the day. Each time you're tempted to pick up a chore, first ask yourself, does this follow the inside to outside order? The reason I have put such sort of a restriction on myself is because I tend to lose track of things easily, only to realize that some or the other work or part of the home got ignored or left undone.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate Don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere.
Sometimes all we need to do is believe in what we really want, affirm it, and embrace its coming.
I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my
hidden love, just for us. 'Cause you got that free love. You want to heal the world. So now I am saving mine for us. Never met someone like you. You got this humble heart and sweet like cherry pie.
Let's move on to the next point of this 3-step formula. Stick to daily first. Now, while we are following the first rule, it is normal that we would come across parts of the home which probably need more attention and time. It is common to get tempted to start work on those things, forgetting the other important daily tasks at hand. Which is why, stick to only the most basic daily chores while following the first rule. This ensures that your home gets sorted at the basic level and you will feel much better instantly. Chances are that with the basic cleaning already done, the efficiency level of doing those other extra chores will be much higher. So resist the feeling of picking and doing just anything or any part of your home.
For us. Yeah, you got that free love. You want to heal the world. So now I am saving mine for us. For us. Cause there is some hidden love, hidden love, hidden love for us. I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple
one new check for the day. Does it happen to you that some tasks or some corners of the home stay pending or ignored for a long time, how much ever big or small those things may be? Which is why I came up with this third step, and that is to pick one and only one task for that day which is not a part of your daily chores. We have to focus on completing that one thing first, after which, depending on one's time and energy, you could choose to pick up more. Why this point is important is because if we think about it, a small but a long pending task in my case was to do some basic dusting. Dusting isn't a part of my daily chores since I don't need to do it that often over here. Hence, it takes the back seat. But since today this was my chosen task, I finished it in no time. This little step makes a huge difference in our daily regime of managing the household. So folks, that was my 3-step formula which helps me maintain order in the home, clean it efficiently and still not feel stressed or overwhelmed by too much work. This formula can of course be molded to each household's individual requirement. This system worked for me. If you were looking for some ideas, maybe you could give this a try. Also share it with your friends and family if you happen to like it.